Hello there, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you on how you can add a website to your favorites on an iPad. This is quite easy, so let's get right into it. So first, go to the website you want to add to your favorites. So I'll quickly search up apple.com. Now, once you're there, you're going to click on the share button on the top right corner. Once you click on it, you're going to scroll down and click on add to favorites. Now you can name it whatever you want. So I think it'd be pretty cool to have an apple as the name. I don't think you can change the icon. I don't think that's possible, but if it is, then make sure to comment down below and I'll make sure to pin it. Then, once you're done doing that, you're gonna click save. And now, when I add a new tab, there it is, apple.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe and also hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos just like this one. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.